Here is a quick and easy to make dinner and breakfast recipe which is highly loaded with veggies and paneer for protein. Let us make Besan Chilla.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Take some chopped onions, chopped green capsicum, grated carrots, grated paneer, some chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies, yellow and red capsicums. For spices, take cumin powder, chili flakes, oregano and salt and 1 cup of besan or gram flour. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of besan and add the spices. Add all veggies. I have taken onion, capsicum, carrot and paneer for protein. You can also add sweet corn or green peas as per your choice. Add 1 cup of water initially and give this a good mix. Add additional cup of water and give this a good mix. The batter should be of this consistency, neither too thick nor too watery. In a heated tawa, pour the batter. This Besan Chilla is heavily loaded with veggies which are healthy and tasty at the same time. Children are going to love this Besan Chilla and ask for more. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Drizzle some oil around the edges. Paneer added in this mixture adds protein to your meal and is very healthy. Flip and cook on the other side for a couple of minutes. Press this gently. Besan Chilla is ready. This recipe serves for 4 people with 2 Besan Chilla each. Please do try and share your feedback in comments. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.